Hello, students. Today is NTI day number 10 video that I am making. I just wanted to go ahead and make that for you so that some of you can go ahead and enjoy your spring break. I know that I'm looking forward to that, so I wanted to go ahead and make this video. Today's lesson is about volume, and we're only going to look at volume for rectangular prisms. It's pretty easy. I have a video that I'm going to play for you, and then I'm going to let you guys get to work, and I hope everyone has a great and safe spring break. Again, I'd like to say I appreciate all of your hard work. It has been a whirlwind. I know this is not ideal, but I just wanted to say everyone have a great spring break. We're going to go ahead and get that video started for you.
Volume is measured by how many cubic units it would take to fill a given space. The cube shaded green is a cubic unit. The amount of cubic units it takes to fill a defined space is what we call volume. The shown geometric solid is a rectangular prism. To find the volume of any rectangular prism, we simply multiply the length times the width times the height. The length and the width of the rectangular prism are always at the bottom of the shape. These two dimensions make up the base of the rectangular prism. In this case, the length is 4 and the width is 3. Multiplying the length times the width will give you the area of the prism's base. This is a two-dimensional measurement. After multiplying the length times the width and getting the area of the rectangular prism's base, by multiplying it by the rectangular prism's height, that will give us the volume. Multiplying the area of the prism's base by the height is filling up the prism or adding depth. This is what gives our rectangular prism a third dimension, or gives it volume. We can clearly see when multiplying the length times the width of the rectangular prism, we come up with 12 square units, which would be the area of the rectangular prism's base. Remember, this is only a two-dimensional measurement. To give it depth or volume, we must now multiply the area of the rectangular prism's base of 12 by whatever the height is to fill up the rectangular prism or to add depth or volume. If we multiply the area of the base, which is 12, by a height of 1, that would give us 12 cubic units, which would be how many cubes it would take to make one level of our rectangular prism. Adding 2 levels of 12, we would get a total of 24 cubic units. 3 levels of 12 would give us 36. 4 levels of 12 give us 48 cubic units. And of course, 5 levels of 12 would give us 60 cubic units. We could say that each level of the rectangular prism contains 12 cubes. There are 5 levels of 12 cubes for a total of 60.
Alrighty, so again, volume for a rectangular prism is pretty easy. You just need 3 numbers: length times width times height. Hope everyone gets this assignment completed and enjoys their spring break. Have a good week.